Excited na naman ako today kasi meron akong pupuntahang isang restaurant na grabe naman. Siya ang unang-unang restaurant sa Pilipinas na nabigyan ng very, very prestigious award na hindi ko nga ma-pronounce. Bib Gourmand? Bib Gourmand? Hindi kasi talaga ako French. Pati yung Michelin? Mamaya matutulungan tayo nung pupuntahan natin. Siyempre, ang sarap kumain, alam nyo naman yun, di ba? At saka, ako talaga, ang kasiyahan ko ay nanggagaling sa nakakatikim ako ng mga pagkaing masasarap. Kasama talaga siya sa The Eugene Domingo Channel. Ang makipag-bonding ako sa aking mga kaibigan, sa aking mga katrabaho, at meron kaming mga sinusubukang ginagawa o di kaya ay kinakainan. Today, sa aking channel, ay makikipag-bonding ako sa aking BFF. Naging BFF ko siya kasi nakatrabaho ko siya sa Dear Uge. At syempre, sa aming circle, alam niyo namang napakalapit ng aking puso't kaluluwa sa mga bakla. Dahil ang saya-saya talaga nila at ang galing-galing nila. Itong aking makakabanding ngayon ay isang komedyante, stand-up comedian, artista. In fact, una ko siyang nakita nung napanood ko siya sa isang independent film. So lahat yan i-reveal ko pag nandun na tayo mismo sa lugar ng ating very special episode ng Bonding with Uge here in the Eugene Domingo Channel. Eto na! Nandito na ako ngayon sa Palm Grill! This is Palm Grill, authentic Southern Mindanaoan cuisine dito sa Quezon City. Look! Sa labas pa lang, makikita nyo na hinahanda na kayo aesthetically sa look at saka sa ambience, sa feel, sa design, because we are going to experience today the flavors of Zamba Sulta, Zamboanga, Basilan, Sulu, Tawi-Tawi. Oh my God! Vamos! Kumaon kita! Hello! Wow, it is so colorful! I love it so much already. Look! Ito naman!
Hi.
Good morning! Eto na pala si Chef!
Hi, good morning.
Chef Miggy, thank you!
Thank you as well. Ako ay so grateful that you are here to experience
Yes.
the flavors of Southern Mindanao for the first time. Tama?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hello to your team. Thank you for accommodating my channel.
Of course.
Remember, nakita na tayo
naman,
sa Tagaytay.
Yes.
And then, he was sharing to me, nagsimula na ba kayo nun?
Yes, oo. Ano na to? 9 years.
9 years. Pero nung time na yon,
After the pandemic
after
yun.
the pandemic.
Yes, after the
yes.
pandemic.
And you were very excited. Ako naman, I had no clue na it has been going on for some time.
Yes, it has. So you were quietly doing business for 9 years until last year the Michelin came and recognized us with a Bib Gourmand. So, yeah.
Pwede turo mo sa akin yung tamang pronunciation.
Michelin.
Alam niyo na ha, Michelin.
Yun. And then we were included in their list of the Bib Gourmands.
Bib Gourmands.
Yes.
Tao ba si Bib Gourmand?
Hindi, siya yung parang marshmallow man na
Ah,
which means if you are given a Bib Gourmand, your restaurant, excellent quality food for affordable prices. Ito yung award na binigay sa atin ng Michelin. Yung,
para lang sa quick information, why is it so important? How do you call yourselves? Restaurateur?
chefs, restaurateurs.
Chefs?
Yes.
Naku, alam ko yung restaurateur.
Yes.
To be able to achieve this kind of recognition.
Yeah, actually, this was the validation that we've been waiting for the longest time. Kasi since we've been operating this restaurant for 9 years, our biggest struggle was getting to be heard, getting to be discovered. Kasi nga, we are presenting something that's regional and unfamiliar to many. So, my goal was to push and be a purveyor and a champion of Mindanaoan cuisine. When this was given, it became some sort of the badge of honor for us. Diba? Kasi sabi nga nila, the Michelin is like the Oscars to the movies, the Grammys to the music. So it's a global recognition that has been there for 125 years. And for us who've been promoting Filipino cuisine, matagal na naming inaasam at inaantay ang pagdating ng Michelin sa Pilipinas. So finally, dumating at na-recognize tayo globally. At more than anything, for me, pinaka-importante nun, Miss Uge, is representation. Kasi wala masyadong representation from Mindanao. So ako ay grateful that I was able to share this to the rest of the world and to represent us as Filipinos na hindi lang tayo limited sa anong alam na natin.
Right.
Yung kare-kare, adobo, sinigang. Meron din tayong mga pagkain sa other islands that we can be extremely proud of as Filipinos.
And to join the family of kung ano yung popular.
Correct, yes.
And it's about time.
Yes, tama.
Diba? Celebrated na tayo ngayon eh. Our color,
Yes.
our talent,
Our identity.
our identity. Na-notice mo? Sabay-sabay sila eh.
Tama
Diba?
yun. Sabay-sabay sila. Tama ka na, parang world-class ang Pilipino. Yun.
Na
Hindi
world-class.
lamang sa movies, sa music, sa
Right.
art, sa culture, pati sa cuisine.
Yes!
Yeah. Itong aming small barter corner, ito yung mga products na tinatrade sa Zamboanga from Malaysia, Indonesia, mga ganon. Yes. So katulad niyan, yung mga Maggi curry, laksa, tom yum. Meron tayong
Sarap.
mga Sulu coffee kasi pinopromote natin yung mga local coffee farmers.
Right.
Meron tayong mga ganitong bagay, pastel,
Yes.
Apollo, Old Town, ganyan. So,
Right.
halo-halo yan.
Ito'y galing sa ating mga kapitbahay.
Yes, kasi nga po yung Zamba Sultan region, yung Zamboanga, Basilan, Sulu at Tawi-Tawi has been heavily influenced by the Southeast Asian neighboring countries. Kasi
Right.
sabi nga nila, bago pa dumating sa Pilipinas ang Spaniards, no? Meron ng Sultanate of Sulu. It was a flourishing society that has been trading spice, textile intermarriages with the neighboring Southeast Asian countries peacefully. That's quote-unquote, peacefully. Yeah. Ayun. So, that's why itong food namin is a representation of that long-standing history of trade and industry and presenting it to the cuisines na masusubukan mo mamaya.
Ay, alam mo, lahat ng sinabi mo, panalo. Kasi excellent food, flavors of our own, and affordable. Parang medyo guilty ako.
Bakit naman?
Ngayon lang ako nagpunta dito. Ansan ka galing, Uge?
Actually, maraming mga Filipinos na gano'n ang feeling na parang andito lang pala kayo all along. At saka yung mga others na matagal na namin kayo nakikita kaya lang hindi namin sinusubukan kasi we're not sure kung magugustuhan namin or kasi unfamiliar nga yung Mindanaoan flavors. So when the Michelin awarded us with the Bib Gourmand, prompted them to visit na din. And mas okay yun. Kasi ngayon alam na nila.
Minsan, isa rin yan sa mga guilt feeling natin. Nauuna pang ma-discover o ma-appreciate ng iba yung meron tayo all along.
Yes, tama yun.
Pwedeng, alam mo, I have more than the experience today. I want to learn a lot of things from you.
Yes,
if it's okay.
Of course, yes. Yeah. Kaya nandito ako.
Oh my God! Chef Miggy, thank you. And I'm really impressed and it gave me immediately, pagpasok ko pa lang, something that's really familiar already. Nasa DNA natin to eh. Masaya, makulay, masarap.
Tamang-tama.
Diba?
Vibrant. Oo.
Vibrant.
Yes,
That's
yan
it.
Yan ang kulturang Pilipino.
Yan ang kulturang Pilipino. Kahit pasabihin nilang iba't ibang isla tayo, atin ito. It's beautiful, it's colorful, it's ours. We should be enjoying it and we should be proud of it.
Tama. That's correct.
Congratulations. I can't wait to experience Palm Grill today.
Thank you. I'm also very excited to introduce to you the flavors of Zamboanga, Basilan, Sulu, and Tawi-Tawi. Yan, truly Filipino by heart.
Nakakahiya, di ba, Chef? Kanina pa tayo naghintay dito.
Delia, pasensya na. Kasama ko
Ha?
si Mr. Sino.
Hindi mo naiintindihan.
Halika na. Hanapin natin si Sisa.
Ay, sino ka? Sino ka?
Spider-Man.
Akala ko si Hilda Coronel.
Ate, ang ganda niya. Kahit anong paggawa ko sa mukha ko, hindi ko wala. How are you? Hello guys. Of course, I'd like to welcome Miss Eugene.
Lahat mo pala.
Oo. Hello. First and foremost, I just want to thank, of course, the beautiful, the very, very talented premier actress na Miss Eugene Domingo na to grace my channel. And I cannot be more thankful and grateful sa lahat ng binimigay mo sa akin. Kumain ka ng brownies. Ano ba ito? Katawa.
Saka nung dumating ka, hindi ko na pinansin si Chef.
Oo.
Unti-unti na lang siya pumusok.
Chef,
sorry.
maganda.
This is
Dito,
Chef
pagitnan niyo
Mickey.
po kami. Chef Mickey. Hello, I'm Tete. How are you, Chef?
Hello,
Of course, I know you. Yeah.
Ihagis-hagis mo na lang yung mic. Meron pa akong isa.
Alam mo kagabi, meron ako nakitang ganitong hugis. Tapos, ang laki ng binayad ko, tapos ganito na yun.
For the first time, alam mo, masasensor yung channel.
Hindi kasi nag-ayos ako ng mga gamit ko. I saw something like this last night sa mga tambak ko din, Chef. Don't get me wrong. I mean, a lot of people would think na napaka-nasty ko. Hindi po. Napaka-madasaling ko pong tao. Let's hold hands and pray.
Before eating.
Chef, maraming salamat po for
salamat.
inviting us. At ngayon lang ko nakakita ulit ng Maggi na noodles. Sa tagal ng panahon, promise. Huling kita ko niyan, supot pa yata ako. Ano mo yun? Di ba pag...
Wala akong gagawin. Hindi ko ako.
Guys, di ba pag may lagnat kayo yung niluluto ng Madeira? Alam niya yan.
Saka nilagyan ng itlog.
Itlog. Tapos napainamin ka ng Sprite.
Baka maban yung iyong page.
Kaya nga, Chef, sorry.
Chef, salamat po.
shade ka.
Okay lang. walang
Chef
problema.
Mickey po, it's my first time here sa Palm Grill.
But you've heard a lot of good
I've heard a lot of good words about Palm Grill. The food though, it's really banging. And I swear.
ano?
Gusto ko yung bangin.
Bangin yung pag nahulog. Ay, nahulog ko sa bangin. sa bangin. Oh, yan. Masarap po ang pagkain dito. So, titimusan po namin yan ng aking BFF ko, of course, the Miss Eugene Delia Domingo. Ang haba na ng pangalan mo, no?
Sisa.
Yes, Divine Sisa Dexter Doria. Sarap. Wow. Ano yung tawag sa Dexter Doria?
I will let you in a gastronomical journey to the island of Mindanao, specifically Zamboanga, Basilan, Sulu, and Tawi-Tawi. Kasi
It's
ako,
like taking us there.
yes, because
So
ako,
without even going there,
Yes.
you'll bring it to us. Ang galing.
Oo.
Okay, tapos. No, di ba kasi like...
Chris, is this you?
No, ang hirap. Pag yung, di ba, at least, di ba, you brought it na here sa amin. Okay. Tapos.
Sasapihan ka na lang bigla. Hindi mo naman talaga sinasadya.
Oh, no. So ito po, excited na po kami sa inyong papatsibog po sa amin ni Miss Eugene Domingo po.
Nakakatawa yung pachibo.
Oo, di ba? Patsibog.
Don't you just like and, appreciate the vibrance?
I love kasi from sa labas, it looks different, parang the usual restaurant lang. But once you step in, it takes you to another place. Like what you said, ang galing. Okay, ikutin na natin ang ruleta kung anong ulam natin.
Ano ba? Saan niyo po gusto
Ang ganda
itapat?
alam mo, ang ganda nito.
Yeah, ito po, ang artist na ito ay a local artist, a daughter of a Tausug from UP. Dinisplay niya yung kanyang artwork dito para mapakita yung talento ng mga tiga Mindanao. Tapos yung nakikita nyo yung mga artwork doon na parang kite, parang saranggola.
Yes.
Ang tawag ng mga Tausug dyan ay taguri.
Taguri.
Yan po ay simbolo ng mga Tausug. At ang gumawa po niyan ay the late artist Ramir Tawasil. Siya din po ay isang Tausug. Kasi ako po ay isang Tausug. I was born in Olosulu. I grew up in Zamboanga, so I'm very proud of my heritage and culture and cuisine. That's why I brought this restaurant here in Manila.
Thank you very much, Chef Miggy, for sharing all those things sa amin. Maraming salamat po. Now, mga kapuso, isang kwento po ng tagumpay, hindi ba?
Hindi.
Mga kano.
Hindi mo channel to.
Sorry. Ngayon, mga ka-guest.
Ito yung pang-Easter.
Hindi ko tsara. Pagkain. Tignan ko lang kung matapos. Linggo na nandito pa din tayo. Tapos puro sabaw. Sige daw. Go na.
Pang-Easter!
Alam niyo guys, si Miss Eugene Domingo, napakahusay na actress, mabait na kaibigan, lahat po. Pero may sabi pagka 80-80. Ito po yung pang-Easter, hindi. Kutsara to sa sabaw. Sabado de Gloria na nandito pa ng gawin. Ay, just go.
Let's try the coffee. BFF, thank you for being here.
Huwag mo na. I miss
And
you.
thank you for watching Sisa.
First day.
Talaga?
Yes. Unang ligo-ligo pajama, rekta. Totally different Eugene Domingo yung nasaksihan namin doon, promise. Even yung mga kasama ko, iba-ibang grupo ng mga friends.
O, so madami kayo?
Dami kami. We're like 875 kasi sa
Punong-puno yung sinihan.
nagkaraneta kami. Hindi wala pa naman kami 10. Pero yung
First day.
Oo, first day. Tapos, yung kilala ka na nila eh.
No.
As in, kilala. Wala naman din nakakala kay Miss Eugene Domingo. Pero nung napanood ka nila, doon sabi niya, kanya sobra. Alam niya,
Thank you.
ganon.
Paulit-ulit ko rin namang sinasabi, BFF, that
Akala ko may nakikita ka, hindi ko nakikita. Ito pala yung camera. Sabi niya, may nagpaparamdam ba sa'yo? Ito po.
posible namang hindi kita makita.
Wow. Okay.
No matter how good you are, if you say you're an experienced actor, ang dami mo nang nagampanan na roles, kumaga versatile ka, ganyan-ganyan, it doesn't stop there, BFF. We always need a very good material. Nasa script pa rin po talaga ang lakas ng isang pelikula o ang pinaguhugutan ng artista. First of all, ang daming talented. Ikaw
totoo.
nga,
Totoo naman.
wait, una kitang nakilala sa isang indie film. Nakalimutan ko lang yung title. Adolfo Alex.
Yes,
Tayo.
Inderegado.
Hindi ka masyadong loud doon. Pero yung pagka-raw at saka yung delivery mo doon, napaka-refreshing nung napanood ko. Sinimalaya to, di ba?
Parang muli yata yun, yung kay Sid.
S, parang letter S.
Suli.
Kung siya...
Suli dahil, ano na yan? Si
Ang galing mo doon. Don Sol!
That's my first indie
Don
film.
Sol!
Kay BFF, paano mo naman hindi gagalingan? Mga kasama mo, Miss Sherry Hill, Miss Jacqueline
Oh
Jose,
my God, yes!
Sir Mark Hill, Sid Lucero, Miss Angel Aquino,
Oh yes!
ito Bembol Rocco. Alam mo yun, so paano?
Paano ka na-discover doon?
Nag-ibenta kasi ako nung araw na yun.
Ng mga perlas.
Halika mo, ako magaling umarte to.
O kailangan natin ang ano.
Si Derek Adol sa comedy bar sa Malate sa Basilica. College student pa lang siya, nagpupunta na siya doon. So, kumbaga, hindi pa siya nagde-direct ng movie, magkakilala, custom, doon na nag-start yung friendship namin until, yun nga, he landed yung isang bonggang break sa kanya yung Don Sol na ang galing nun, promise.
Ganda!
Yes.
Ganda-ganda ng mga pelikula mo,
Yes,
BFF, in
sobra.
all fair.
Kaya medyo happy din ako. Alam mo yung parang
May filmography kang gano'n,
hindi man lang
ano?
siya, hindi siya yung like, what do you call this? Yung, ano yung term doon, yung
Wavy?
yan. Parang buko mo. Hindi siya yung like the normal, di ba may movie na yung commercialized ba? Yun yung parang artsy siya.
That's the point. That's actually where I'm going to. I want to discuss about you na. Nung kinuha ka ni Direk Adolf Alex, hindi mo ba naisip na, ay gusto ko bumida sa ganitong pelikula? Yung parang gusto ko magkaroon ng pelikulang Divine Tetay tapos ganito yung feel. Nakipipicture mo yung sarili mong gano'n? Hindi.
To be honest, BFF, hindi. Kumbaga parang the mere fact na nakakast ako.
Okay na yun?
Nagpapasalamat
Ay,
ako.
talaga?
Kasi mapakita ko lang yung kahit pa paano na may acting naman ng antsahin mo. Pero yung to like to eye or to you have a
Talagang
target
featuring,
na yung
ganon.
Parang,
Oo. Hindi. Ang galing.
Hindi.
Oo. Tsaka masaya ka naman sa lahat ng mga...
sa lahat ng ginagawa.
Yes. At tsaka hindi ka nawala, BFF. Ang dami kasing mga... Nagkaroon tayo ng mga pagsubok, di ba?
Kagaya na.
Ng pandemic, ng kung ano-ano. During the pandemic, na-observe ko, lalo ka pang namayagpag. Dahil pumasok kayo sa pagka-content
Sa social
creator.
media.
Oo.
Sa
Ang galing
YouTube
nun.
particularly. Yes, BFF. Cheers tayo dyan.
Ang galing nun,
Yun nga,
BFF.
God has, like really plans talaga na.
Exactly.
Yun,
Plus,
totoo yun. He works in
oo.
mysterious ways.
Yes.
Legit.
Yes. Did you feel during that time na, naku, wala na, tege na tayong lahat?
Ay,
Kasi,
umabot ako sa ganun, BFF.
yes.
Noong una, mga first week pa lang, carry pa. Meron pa yan, meron mahaba pa PC natin.
Kasi
Nung
nga, yun yung
tumatagal
sarado na yung
tumatagal
mga
parang,
bars.
Tapos wala kang trabaho. Tapos mabibigyan ka ng work, pero yung TF mo, hindi na yung TF mo dati.
Kasi kailangan,
Wala ka ng choice kundi sagpangin yun. Kasi alam mo yun, kailangan mo you need to survive. So go lang, alam mo yun. Until, yun nga, the vlogging happened. So, very thankful for that.
Hi, good morning again and welcome to Palm Grill. So, si Chef Miggy, I'm going to be serving you the specialty dulang tray. The dulang tray is a tausug tray that is normally served during royal banquets and special occasions.
Oh.
It's the dulang tray basically has 5 of our specialties in one order, and as I serve them to you later, I will explain all the specialties one by one. So, kukunin ko na yung ating pagkain.
Yes! Biruin nyo, sinaserve lang yun, mga royal banquet.
Oo.
Banquet, hindi ko ma-spell.
Alam mo, sa picture, parang maliit lang. Ang laki pala!
Alam mo, ang dami ko experience na ganyan sa picture, parang ang lit, pero pagkita ko, ang laki pala. Hindi totoo like yung food, yung serving nila.
This is the specialty dulang tray of the Tausug tribe of the Sulu Archipelago. Ayan. So this is a very simple dulang tray kasi pag na-experience nyo siya in Holo or Basilan, Sulu, Tawi-Tawi, and Zamboanga, it's a lot bigger and there's so much more food that is placed. Ang ibig sabihin ng dulang is to resemble like a mountain. So very generous ang mga Tausug people because that's their trait. Diba? Pag nagsaserve sila sa special occasions, kailangan maramihan. Kasi bawal sa kanila yung nauubusan. So, bounty, kumbaga. Ganun sila mag-share ng kanilang culture. Yes. So, I will be torching now the bone marrow of the Tula Itum at the center.
Yung kilay mo, BFF, ingat.
Ilang piraso na. Chef Miggy, talaga magkakatalo tayo pag...
Ooh!
So that's how you do it, Chef Miggy.
Yes, the bone marrow has already been baked. So,
Oh, you know, excited siya. Hindi mo birthday.
Beautiful!
May production value siya.
Oo.
This is so Master Chef worthy, Chef Miggy. I swear.
at the center is called the Tula Itum. Merong beef meat po sa ilalim yan and a baked bone marrow to enhance the flavor of the soup. This one's mild spicy. I hope okay lang sa inyo.
Yes, super.
Yes. Oh, and then this one is called the beef korma or the savory curry version of the tausugs.
Okay.
This one is called the specialty tianggang manok. The same sila because they both use burnt coconut meats, but it's cooked with a lot of aromatics and spices and coconut milk as well. This one over here is called the Balachan manok with the Balachan shrimp paste, which is Indonesia's link to the islands of Sulu and Tawi-Tawi.
Siyempre, so para medyo bagoongish po siya.
Yeah, pero iba po yung approach at pagluto namin. And then, this is what you call the
Yan po, chef.
kalia puso or the heart of the banana. Puso ng saging.
Oh,
Puso ng
okay.
saging.
Yes. And then we have the tuning turmeric rice.
Karin mo
And then we have the jasmine rice or the white rice steamed rice. And over there, you'll see meron tayong hard-boiled eggs that are specially coated. Kasi traditionally, they always serve their cuisines with hard-boiled egg because that's a sign of prosperity and fertility. Ayun. So, traditionally, sinaserve nila yan sa'yo ng may shell. Pero syempre, ayoko namang magbalat pa yung aming mga customers. So, we coated it to mimic that there's a shell. Ayun. So, this is the specialty dulang tray. Enjoy your lunch and enjoy discovering the flavors of Mindanao. And I may add, sabi mo kanina very theatrical kasi this restaurant is a full sensory experience restaurant. So from the fabrics, the cuisine, the textile, the music, everything has been well curated to give you a full-blown Mindanaoan experience.
Wala na
Chef
kami.
Miggy, maraming salamat po. Nasabi mo na po lahat yung gusto namin
Yes.
sabihin. Ito na po ba yung kutsara nyo?
Ay, naku, sorry. Hindi naman po.
Kasi po siya eh.
Oo, stirrer nung ano. Pero you will be given a spoon naman. Meron din naman.
Yung itsura
Pero
pa
ito,
lang po niya.
yeah.
No? Yung, alam mo yung, hello. Yung,
Gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo, Chef Miggy, favorite ko yung bone marrow.
ay,
So paano to? Favorite mo rin ba to?
alam mo, maparaya ako. Sa ibang araw, pero hindi ngayon. Kaya magtigil ka dyan. Walang Eugene Domingo. Bulalo yan. Bulmaro yan. Magkakaalaman. Ay naku, dito naman tayo masisira.
Ayan na. Dito na kami nasira sa Bulalo.
So enjoy. Maraming salamat.
Definitely. Chef Miggy,
This is-
maraming salamat po.
It's really beautiful.
Thank you very much. Maraming salamat din po.
Talaga namang ka Michelin, di ba?
Totoo. Yes, it's Michelin. It is. Hindi, wala pa yung bisita. Ibalik mo muna. Di ba nanay, wala pa yung bisita. Huwag yung anuhin yung ibabaw.
Ay! Oh my God, BFF. Oh my God. Close your eyes.
Ayoko, no? Pag close eyes, wala na yan, ano? Delikado, ano? Close eyes, yung dilat ko, ay, nadali niya ako sa close your eyes. Ginawa kong bata. Ang tanda ko, na 50 na ako, close your eyes pa ako.
I mean, close your eyes so we can really be transported.
Tinitignan ko sa kanila, sabi, bulalo-ish.
Yeah.
But it's way better than bulalo.
It's so comforting.
Yes. Actually, laban na ako sa sabaw tsaka kanin. Alam mo yun?
Oo.
Aminin niyo yan, guys.
At saka parang naramdaman mo talaga na umuwi ka sa inyo, sa probinsya ninyo, sinalubong ka ng lolo mo, lola mo, yung
May mainit
ganon.
na ganito sa mesa pag uwi mo ng bahay. Maraming sabaw. Humingi ako ng extra, huwag kang mag-alala.
Yung importance na magkakasama kayo.
Ayun o. Takal-takal lang na. Takal lang si mama, oh.
Grabe. Try din natin yung meat. Grabe yung beef. Nadurog.
Ito ba yung sinabi ni chef na meron siyang parang burnt coconut something or eto? Kasi meron siyang ganong
May
feel.
burnt coconut. Ito yatang both.
See?
Yung feeling na may festivities tapos everybody's sharing good food. I think you cannot eat this alone.
Try me. Charot. Oo naman hindi. Siyempre may camera pero pag wala na yan.
It is best shared with the community.
Sa ganitong kadami, oo. Di ba
Yes.
sinabi nga ni chef na ito dapat mas malaki pa.
Yes.
But since it's just, the 4 of us lang, so sakto na to sa atin. Maayaw daw nila ng may tinitipid sa pagkain.
Yeah.
Gusto nila, yung
Bountiful.
generous serving daw sila
Yeah.
lagi. Alam mo, huling magkasama kami ni BFF. I call her BFF because she made us binyag. Yun yung tawagan na namin. So, from then on, nag-start na sa TV ng Dear Okay, yun na yung tawagan namin.
Malapit talaga kasi ang puso ko sa'yo.
Yes.
Ang ano mo kasi, ang patient mo.
Patient?
Yes.
Di ba lang maganda? Patient talaga. Nakakantoko ko naman yun. Please, alam mo, you're so adorable. Patient, pasyente mo.
First of all, I'm gonna try with the jasmine rice. I think yung jasmine rice nila, may nilagay silang pa-toppings. Chef, ano po yung toppings ng jasmine?
Toasted coconut.
Hindi
Chef, ang
talaga,
daming ano.
hindi pwedeng lumampas ang isang pagkain na wala siyang uniqueness.
Yun. I was looking for the word uniqueness. Kasi, who would have thought na yung ganong coconut. Ngayon lang ako nakakita, in fairness, sa tagal ko nang kumakain na bukod sa kasi kakanin ko lang nakikita yung ginaganyan, di ba?
Oo, yung parang may budbod.
Oo.
Bubod.
Yung
Okay.
latik bang tawag doon yun?
Latik. And I'm gonna try, ano nga ulit ito, Chef?
Puso. Puso ng saging.
Puso. Oh my gosh. Diyos ko.
Ano ba naman ito? Di
Diba?
ba? Ang sarap. Yun na.
Wow. Taga saan?
The color, the texture is really splendid. The banana leaves cooked properly. The aromatics are really like, they all married together. The taste, splendid.
Paulit-ulit yung splendid.
Splenda.
All in all, it's exploding inside your mouth like anything.
Alam mo, this is canin worthy. Sobra. Alam mo yung, ito yung ganitong ulam.
Oo.
Is dalawang kutsara, tapos ganun yung kanin. Alam mo yung pagkain na barako. Kaya ko yun.
At saka niluto talaga to nung may utak eh. Yung eto, dadagdagan natin ito ng may konting ganito para may nangyayari pero hindi
Para ganito
halata.
kalalabasan niya.
Oo, hindi halata. Bawat subo may journey.
Kaya nyo enjoy yun, yung bawat subo nyo.
Yeah. Kung kailangan nyo pumunta sa isang restaurant na magse-celebrate kayo with your family, with your friends, grupo kayo, napaka-practical nito.
Steph, question. Pag eto po, pwede kayo umorder ng like, kunyari, like single order? Or,
Lahat po yan. May individual single orders.
How is it?
Yung normal na egg, the thing is that, yung the shell made it, a little special. May factor yung pa-shell.
Yeah.
Yung egg.
Well-
Bakit ba nga yung kulang na ano to?
Kaya nga eh. Don't miss coming here in Palm Grill. It's really, wow. Nakaka-proud to bring all your balikbayan friends and all the visiting tourists. Pianggang manok. Oh my God!
Ay naku, makapag-ikot ang ruleta. Kung anong ulam Ito wala yung purpose na. Ulam number 1.
Wait, sandali. Hihintayin kong matikman mo para maintindihan mo yung nararamdaman ko.
Sige, abang na lang ako dito.
Ito,
Wait
dito na
lang.
talaga tayo magkakasira sa chicken.
Ay, oo, mami.
May pinagdaanan, di ba?
Kayo, ang tataba niyo na amin na to.
Sarap!
Lahat po kasi yan niluto ng matagal. Pinakuluan.
Niluto ng matagal sa coconut oil.
Saka the fact that it's,
Oo.
di ba sabi nga ni Chef, it's burnt, but there's no taste na yung, alam mo yung lasa ng sunog, di ba?
Oo, oo, oo.
Ang sarap, parang milky pa rin yung lasa nung sauce. Actually, laban na ako sauce tsaka yero, kakainin ko yan. Medyo lightly toasted lang yung yero, para may crunch.
It's out of this world. It's truly something to be proud of. My God! Sino nagpunta dito?
Sila Bex Batalyon, MC lahat si
Oo.
Sitchan. Si Miss Jessica, so
This is meant to stay. It's meant to stay.
you get the taste of yung ano natin, yung different like heritage. Like,
Yes! Yes! Yung heritage, ang sarap pakinggan. Ito naman,
Beef korma.
beef korma.
Savory curd.
May influence din talaga ng mga kapitbahay natin sa Southeast Asia. eh. Wow!
Ayun, so, tinatransport ka na naman, BFF.
Nakaka-proud.
Aside from good food, yung tao nila, they're very friendly.
Welcoming.
Welcoming, yeah, that's the right word.
Wow! Ang dami ng tao. At saka yung mga mukha nila, mga excited sila. Can you see? Best! Look!
Yes, best in maintenance goes to.
No! It's your turn.
Okay, I'm just gonna get this much lang, guys. Gusto ko sanang gano'n, hindi ka na pabigyan sa ano ba? Pagi.
Woo!
Narinig ko si Dulce sa'yo. Ako!
I'm not ready! O sige, go. Wow! The best, number one. I'm so proud of this restaurant, Palm Grill. Sariling atin, discover the flavors of Mindanao. It's really wow.
Then it's worth trying, I swear.
Cheers! I love you, BFL.
Love you, BFF. Such a wonderful afternoon.
Yeah.
Biggie's here.
Hi, hello again. So we've come to the most exciting parts, which is the dessert.
You should always leave room for dessert.
Yes.
And we're serving you Zamboanga City's famous fruit halo-halo with no shave ice. In Zamboanga, it's called Knickerbocker. Here, it's called just Knicker. Yeah, so your Knicker comes with chilled fresh watermelon, ripe mangoes, bananas, and at the bottommost, which is the green color, is the coconut jelly. So if you notice, all of the specialties we've had today has coconut in it.
Yes.
So that's why it's called palm grill, kasi palm coconut is a coconut is a palm tree, and grill because the specialty chicken dish called pianggang.
Chicken and then the
The
bulalo.
term is to grill. Yes.
Oh, it's so
So,
easy to
enjoy.
remember. Palm
Thank you, Chef
Grill.
Mickey.
True to the name.
First time na maghalo-halo na walang shaved ice.
Yeah. At ang ganda ng mga kulay. Halo-halo.
Doon ako nakain ng pakwan sa halo-halo. Okay pala.
Oo nga. Ay! Nakakabalik sa pagkabata. Di ba BFF?
Oo nga, nena.
Nakaka-happy.
Oo, yun.
This summer,
Yes.
masarap pag-tripan. And most of all, kahit nakakapita tong comment ko, hindi siya matamis.
Hindi yun nga, I guess the watermelon balances the sweetness of the ripe mango. Like, basta masarap siya. Ito naman si Chef yung binibigay sa aming armas, ang liliit. Pag ganito, dapat yung kutsaron.
Parang tama lang naman yung size sa amin.
Okay, sige. Ako na lang yung peachy. This is something like yung refreshing.
Refreshing. I agree. Kasi nga, We have our tropical fruits in it. Pag mainit.
No! Bitik sa tenga.
Ay, ubus na?
Madalas nagtitira ako yung parang, ayoko na busog na ako, hindi, no? Side to, no?
Nagsasalita ka pa nun, ah.
Mm-hmm.
Ang bilis.
May bibig ako dito. Dalawang bibig ko. Okay, taob. And I want to congratulate, of course, Ate Oge also. Yay! Would like to welcome her first sa YouTube.
Yes. And I have to tell you, you and among others, na talagang you inspired me.
Oh.
So don't stop because you inspire a lot of artists as well. Because you know this is not an easy thing to do, ha?
Okay.
This is a lot of commitment and passion. And I waited for that passion.
What's rewarding, ate? Yung random na naglalakad ka, tapos may mag-aano sa'yo, may mag-approach sa'yo na, thank you for
For your
for saving
content,
us.
yes.
So, like,
Sa'yo, nababasa
yun
ko sa
din yung
mga
parang,
comments sa'yo na,
alam mo yung kahit ako minsan yung, on a serious note, ito yung parang, minsan, Lord, thank you so much. So parang, I get to touch, people's lives. And yung, talagang,
save.
Yes, yun. I get to read yung mga comments and then, ang sarap, Lord, thank you for giving me this talent, this baliw-baliwan, happy talent that you gave me. So,
grabe, ang galing mong magpasaya.
thank you so much for loving us. And then in return, we love you back also. We also pray for you guys. Maraming salamat po talaga. Tsaka hello. Natawa ako na nag-vlog ka na. Ay, nag-vlog ka si Ate Ogie. The usual. Actually, kung dati pa natin sinimulan to, yung sa mga taping pa natin ng Dear Ogie.
Oo.
Wala po kayo, ay nako, you have no idea yung mga kulitan namin sa yung in-between take and lala.
Yeah, but you know, hindi mo naman kasi siya pwedeng gawin nang hindi ka 100%
Dedicated.
dedicated.
That's true.
So that's why I keep on acknowledging you and the other content creators. You really are inspiring.
Thank you so much,
Super.
BFF.
Congratulations at tuloy-tuloy. Iba kasi kapag nasimulan mo na, tapos tumigil ka, nag-iiba, di ba?
Dapat ire-eretso ka lang.
Oh! So this is really 100% commitment, passion, and dedication to our subscribers.
Yeah.
Makakommit ba natin sa kanila na this is not going to be the last?
No, definitely not. Una pa lang tong Palm Grill sa hundreds of restaurants.
What are
Kakainan
we
namin.
gonna call this series of you and me trying different restaurants together, or me guesting in your channel?
Actually, wala akong maisip ngayon, but I'm sure sila, may maiisip sila. Comment below kung anong gusto yung tawag sa series.
Kasi parehas kami magaling kumain. Masarap
Yes.
kumain.
Malalakas to be bold.
Oo.
We love food,
Yes,
period.
we love it.
Uy, experience itong Palm Grill, habang tinutungganan po na yung himagas niya. Palm Grill dito po yan sa May Tomas Morato. Yes. Makikita niyo po yan. Promise. Ang sarap. Dalhin niyo pamilya niyo, kaibigan niyo. Kung anumang occasion meron kayo, kahit walang occasion, just to try their food here. It's such a wonderful
And
experience.
the most important thing is, this is to experience the cuisine of the Mindanao.
Tama.
So ikaw na nasa bahay, feeling mo mag-isa ka, hindi totoo yan.
Hindi.
Oo. May kabanding ka.
Totoo.
Yes.
Kaya sumama na sa food trip namin, of course. Dito lang sa ka-food trip. Okay.